Me again. Living in a van really is the dog's whiskers. Oh, the cat's meow, the bee's knees. But when you're travelling from A to B, not those bees, sometimes you have to go past something like W for wasteland, which is what I will be passing through today. A wet wasteland at that. A WW. It's not somewhere I particularly want to be, but it is necessary for progress, so if I want to see change, then I've got to go. And so, let's go. Well, that's that done. I suppose we had to come to terms with the idea that some days are just better than others. And some days, like today, you just have to get through them. And I've barely got through this one. There seems to be just as much water on the inside of the van as the outside. And the water that does remain on the outside is making repairs quite impossible. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going to sleep tonight. I try to be a van half full kind of guy, and luckily I've got a backup plan. So, welcome to Tenty Yellow. A few people have wanted a little bit of behind the scenes of how I live my van life, so today I thought I'd show you how I put the tent up. First of all, I lay it out flat on the ground, making sure I've got all the parts. Then I put the tent up, and it's done. To take it down, simply reverse the process by taking the tent down until the tent is then laying flat again. Make sure you've got all the parts. Then, to put it back up again, just reverse that process again, mimicking the first process I showed you just moments ago, and it's back up again. You can alternate between these two processes as much as you like, but only one after the other. You can never put a down tent down, and you can never put an up tent up. Just something worth remembering. I hope that clears up any confusion. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye again.